What is ammonia? Ammonia is mainly used as fertilizer for the plant. How to make ammonia? Ammonia is produced during Haber's process, where nitrogen and hydrogen is mixed together in the ratio of 1:3. The nitrogen is obtained through fractional distillation of the liquefied air, while hydrogen is obtained from cracking of petroleum. The reaction is performed at the temperature of 400 to 450 degrees Celsius, pressure of 250 atm, and with the presence of powdered catalyst to speed up the reaction. It is a reversible process whereby only about 10 to 15% of the reactants are converted into ammonia each time.
Wow.
The unreacted gases are recycled back to the reactant vessels. While for ammonia, which has higher boiling point, cool down and condense first to form liquid.